Hello, in the last video I demonstrated you like how you can sync your Google Calendar events to your Odoo Calendar and your Odoo Calendar events to the Google Calendar. Now in this video today we will work with the Zoho Calendar, like how you can connect your Zoho Calendar with the Odoo's Calendar using our module CalDAV Sync. So the same thing you need to do is like you need to create a separate account for your Zoho Calendar. So I have named the account as Zoho Calendar. After then you need to add the credentials. In that you need to add the username, that is your Zoho email ID, and the password provided to you from the Zoho. Then after adding the credentials, you need to add the CalDAV calendar URL, which you will get from your Zoho calendar. And after pasting the URL, you need to test the connection. Once the connection is tested successfully, you can update and add or delete the events that you have in your Zoho or your Odoo calendar. Rest all functionality like send invitation emails and auto create contacts will remain same for the Zoho calendar as well. So I will show it to you. Like this is my Zoho calendar, and in the month of June, as you can see, I have no events. Now on 9th of June I am creating one event. Then it is for the all day and it's a single day event, like it's not a recurring event. Here I am adding some participant like john@gmail.com. After adding the attendees, and I'm saving the event. So here the event has been created. Now I will go back to my account created in Odoo and click on sync now. So once done, you will be able to see the notification, and by going to the calendar in the month of June, here you can see the same event has been created over here as well. Now if you open it, edit, and if you change the duration like from all day to some specific time and save it, then you again go back to the account for the Zoho and click on sync now. So here you can see the sync is completed, and if I go and refresh my Zoho calendar and see in the month of June, so here you can see the timing has been changed. Then if I again go back and go to contacts and search for the contact, so the contact has been created for the attendees that I have added in my Zoho's event. Now by going to the Zoho event and clicking on edit, and if I repeat it weekly on Monday, and it should end after 4 occurrences, and click on save, and then if I click on save, so here you can see the event is being repeated for 4 times. in the month of June. Now if I again go back to my Odoo CalDAV sync and sync now, so here you will get the notification again like the sync is complete successfully. And if you go to the calendar in the month of June, you will be able to see like the single event has been updated to the recurring event. Now if I go to my Zoho's calendar and open the event and delete it, this and following event, and confirm the deletion, so you can see the events are being deleted. So now after deleting the event from your Zoho calendar and going back to your Odoo's calendar, you can see the events are deleted from here as well. So this way you can manage the updation or deletion of the events from Odoo to Zoho calendar and from Zoho to Odoo. One more thing, if you go to the Zoho calendar account created, here we have provided the sync logs. So here you can see the logs of the sync or the process that you have made. So this was the functionality of our module if you want to work it with the Zoho calendar. Thank you.